nasulat sa akin, pinakamamahal na asawa. Nakahanda ko itong card. This is supposed to be given last April 12, pero pinaspo namin ang aming wedding anniversary for the sake of our children, because we want them to be all of them with us. And so, it happened
Di, may pin, yung pin si Bunso.
postpone ang aming anniversary. Ang plano talaga is Tuesday, pupunta kami ng Baguio. Doon yung plano bigay itong card. Pero it's happened na meron yung card. And I always bring this with me because I don't want baka mabasa niya. So, tago ko sa bag ko. Kung isa nagbukas ng ako, ay, ako yung card. Kaya tago ko. Now, ito ang card. To Doming the man I love forever. And I hope this special letter for you.
nakalagay ko yung
And po ang sulat. Paparinig ko na sa inyo lahat.
Lit mo?
I hope.
Yung si JM. Nuevo pa lang yun. Nagsukat na kayo?
Ano ba yan?
Jenny,
record mo na.
you're the man I love, the man I married. The man I vowed to love and to hold for better or for worse. In richer or in poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us
Pag
part.
may red, di ba?
39 years is no joke. It's a big sacrifice. Slight misunderstanding breaks my heart. I cry and sacrifice. Big sacrifices, everything needs for passion and compassion. Simply because, nanginginig ako. Simply because I want to save our marriage. I care for you, I care for our children. Kayo ang mahalaga sa akin. Kayo ang aking tanging laban. Ay, nanginginig ako.
Kaya tuwa na kayo Domi, no?
Ano sinulat ko? May time, nag-street ako. O akala ko number ako. Sabi sa other woman, huwag hayaang makapasok ang squatter sa loob ng bakuran. Kaya ako maingat at laging alert. Remember, when I told you before you were Lieutenant SG, then, okay sa akin, mag-clean ka. Huwag mo lang bahayan at anakan. Why? Because I understand the nature of your job being a naval officer. Because of love, I can sacrifice everything. Alam mo yan. Gusto kong maging masaya ka. But I know you won't let foolish mistakes reign what we have. Our marriage is too precious to waste. We've been married for 39 years. Your wife, Rita Contanilla Constera, remain faithful in the vows we have made way back 1973. Onward beauty will fade, but good, strong character, honesty, love, purity, faithfulness, kindness, forgiveness, and respect. All comes from good character deep within my heart. We stick together like rain and rainbows, especially this day and age. Share each other burdens and give each other hope to go on, and that's what the Lord wants us to give to each other. Domi, I will always remember that caring heart you always gave me. You being there for me.
Nagluluto ka ni Tito.
You being there for me and for our children through good and bad times. No matter what, I will always love you and will never stop loving you. There will never be another one to replace you in my heart, and the love will always have for you. I will never stop loving you till the last of my life. Thank you for being my protector, provider, for being a good, caring friend, partner, husband, and father of our children, DJ, Lenden, Wendy, and Lester. And mga apo, JM, MJ, and Yuri, our anti-stress. We are proud of you, my Avira. And lastly, I thank the Lord Almighty for all the blessings He has given us. Again, thank you for loving me. I love you. Thank you. Bago papasok sa opisina, may nababasa kang short note nakapasok na sa medyas mo. Bago ka papasok, susot mo, nakita mo yung mga short note nakasulat, I love you. Take care.
Wow.
That's how much I love you. At sa mga anak ko, kay DJ, Lenny, and Lester, maraming salamat sa inyo itong gabi ito. This is a memorable night for me. A joyful night. And to my friends, my friend Mrs. Hilda Pajardo, I love you. And Mrs. Lotte Ago, maraming salamat. Our Tess, inaanak ni Tommy. Mrs. Obille. And of course, our family friend, Captain Julius de la Cruz, Captain Viray. Thank you so much for coming. And to my cousin, siyempre, Kuya Rudy, thank you very much. Yos, Ashley, si Ashley galing pa po yan ng Singapore. We like to just attend this affair. And to Manu, thank you very much. And wife, Dr. husband, Dr. Alin. Maraming salamat, Alin. Yos, Ronnie, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At sa June, Tabios,